Hey everybody, we have been having so much fun with the Blaze and the Monster Machines Wild Wheels. And these are where Blaze and his friends turn into animals. We've opened quite a few. Here is Crusher as a cheetah. And they are so cool looking. He is a cheetah. And here is Blaze as a lion. He goes to Animal Island and does all sorts of fun stunts. This one is Blaze as a falcon, so he can fly and save the day. And then we have Super Tiger Stripes. Isn't that awesome? He is a cool jungle cat. And Blaze even turns into a bug. Here he is as an ant. He's pretty cool looking. And Zeg turns into a grasshopper. They're so tiny. Grasshopper Zeg and Ant Blaze. But we've got some new Wild Wheels back here. We've got Elephant Starla, Shark Blaze, and Darrington as a flying squirrel. And we're going to put them on this really cool victory track. It launches them back here and they go around. But that's not all. We have another track we're going to try them out on. Here is our light up track. And you can see these characters light up. Zeg lights up. Darrington lights up. Blaze lights up, and Stripes. Woohoo! They are so cool. I bet Darrington wants to try out this awesome playset. Let's give him a go. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Darrington, you're so fast. I can't wait to try Shark Blaze out on this really cool racetrack. All right, you guys go back here and we're gonna open up Shark Blaze, Squirrel Darrington, and Elephant Starla. Who should we open first? Let's open up Elephant Starla. She looks really cool. Look at that trunk. And there's a little bit about Elephant Starla. And here's the back, and it shows all the different ones you can collect. Really, really neat. Oh, look at her big ears. She's got elephant ears and her cowgirl hat and her elephant trunk so she can spray water. And there's her tail. On Animal Island, Starla transforms into an elephant so she can blast water at hot lava with her trunk. Elephants are the largest land mammals in the world. Very cool, Starla. Come over here and try this track out. All right, Starla, we're ready. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Oh, she crashed. She needs to try again. 1, 2, 3. Crash again. Woohoo! There you go, Starla. That's better. All right, let's open up another one. Let's get Flying Stunt Squirrel Darrington. He is so cool looking. Oh, look at that squirrel tail. He's got little squirrel teeth for chewing on nuts. And he's blue with yellow stars. He looks just like a squirrel monster truck. You guys are awesome. He wants to try out this cool track. Darrington is ready to do a stunt. It says here, on Animal Island, Darrington transforms into a flying squirrel monster machine to help save his toucan friend. Flying squirrels glide using special flaps that catch the air like a parachute. Very, very neat, Darrington. Let's try out your flying capabilities. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, you fly right down that track. All right, 1, 2, 3. Blaze and the Monster Machines. Very cool, Darrington. I can't wait to put you on the other playset. But right now, we've got to get Shark Blaze out. Da-da-da-da, Shark Blaze. Let's get him out and see what it says about him on Animal Island. Oh, look at that cool shark tail. He is so awesome. And there's his fins on top. What a cool shark monster machine. And what did you do on Animal Island? Let's find out. Says, on Animal Island, Blaze transforms into a shark monster machine so he can dive deep undersea and retrieve the golden shell. Sharks have an endless supply of teeth. If they lose one, a new one grows right in. Wow! So if they lose a tooth, another one just grows right back. All right, Blaze, are you ready to try this racetrack out? Here you go. Ah, he crashed. Try again. Blaze. Woohoo! Blaze and the Monster Machines. Woo! And here's the trophy at the end. When it flips up, it means they get the trophy. Woohoo! All right, let's try this Blaze out. This is our Victory Blaze, and he's got gold and red. Wow, he made it all the way to the end. Let's try again. Let's see if he can get the trophy. Not that time. Oh, he got the trophy. One more time for us, Blaze. Trophy. Now let's try out this other track. All right, we've got the launcher. Let's put Blaze in and see what happens. Whoa, Blaze, you're so fast. Let's try someone else. Darrington is super fast. He loves doing stunts. Time for a stunt, Darrington. Can you make it through? He made it. Now it's Elephant Starla's turn. Who wants to go next? Cheetah Crusher. Shark Blaze to the rescue. Woohoo! Super Tiger Stripes. Zeg. Oh, Falcon Blaze. He wants to go flying. Here he goes. Lion Blaze. Oh, he crashed. Try again. Ooh, almost. Victory Blaze is gonna give it a go. He's really fast. But I was so excited to share these cool toys with you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments. And subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.